Ever heard the saying, an elephant never forgets? Let's see why it's true.
Elephants can remember water sources and migration paths for decades.
They even recognize faces and voices.
Elephants communicate through sound so low. They're like seismic waves, others can hear it miles away.
They have complex social lives and mourn lost family members.
They're one of nature's most caring animals. So, next time you see an elephant, remember, they're not just big, they're brilliant.